Welcome to Lawyers Who Care, the video show podcast that highlights attorneys who go above and beyond for their clients. And on each episode, we'll meet a new lawyer and they will share stories of when they went beyond legal counsel for the benefit of their client. My name is Andrew Samalin, principal of Samalin Wealth, a nationally recognized wealth management firm for lawyers, their firms, and their clients. And let's applaud Lawyers Who Care and learn from them. Today, my guest is Charis Campbell. She's the founder of Golden Key Law Group in Pinellas Park, Florida. And Charis leads an all-female law firm team specializing in family law litigation and transactional real estate matters. Welcome, Charis.
Thank you for having me.
Great. So tell us about what brought you to the law.
So originally, funny enough, I wanted to be a doctor. But while in undergrad, I took, some pre-law classes, and I really started gaining an interest in law and switched my major entirely to law, and I have not looked back since. So I've been practicing now for 12 years.
Gotcha. And what brought you to the area that you like to practice in? I mean, there's so many to choose from. Was there a professor that brought you towards that area? Was it a personal choice? What does that look like?
So family law is a very challenging area, right? Because it involves a lot of different legal concepts. So there's real estate crossover, business law, I mean, you name it. And so what I do enjoy about it is that there's a lot of diversity in what you're doing. No two issues, no two cases are the same. But what initially brought me to family law, when I graduated law school, I was my primary practice area was actually real estate. That was my first job. I worked at Gulf Coast Legal Services doing foreclosure defense. At Gulf Coast is legal aid. And then I hung my shingle, opened my firm, and that's when the family law cases came in, and haven't looked back.
Gotcha. And you have a great client story you want to share with us?
I do. The thing that I enjoy the most about family law is you really have the opportunity to make a difference, not only in the clients, but most importantly, the children. And I have the opportunity to put them first, and that keeps me sane and keep me, focused and encouraged. And so one in particular, a very, very tough case. My client, she was living, her and her 3 children, to 1 bedroom. And husband was hiding income, hiding assets. And it took an incredible amount of work and energy and time to uncover that. And we were able to uncover that and give her some relief, but also give the children the life that they deserve, right? And the life that they should be living. And so when I think about it, what motivates me is actually those cases that are the underdog cases, the cases that are tough, that it seems like, an impossible thing to do or very difficult to prevail. But somehow I'm able to get relief. And I had another case where, it was a relocation case, and trying to get a 15-year-old and 17-year-old back here in Florida with dad. I talked to 2 or 3 other colleagues, was told that it was I'm not going to be successful, and we were able to get the kids back here. So that, those are the cases that really bring me joy.
Mm. So if you were going to leave our listeners with one takeaway, Charis, what would it be?
Yeah. So the one takeaway I would say is that, when you're choosing a family law attorney, we all have relatively the same amount of knowledge, the same ability to access information. What you want to focus on is their personality and whether you're being seen and heard, so that you can be adequately advocated for. And that's what's most important.
Perfect. And by the way, an all-female law firm.
Yes.
Is that by
seven of us?
Is that by design, or is that by just the way the math worked out? Tell us what that is.
It just happened. I mean, so the firm turned 10 in November, and I've had male employees every now and again, maybe two. It's been two, but yeah, right now it's all women, and it's fun.
Got it.
Dealing with the personalities. It's good to get all the perspectives and opinions. So
for sure. Well, that's actually, that's not gender facing, that's humanity facing. So I guess everyone's got an opinion and they want to bring it to you. But I'd like to very much thank our guest today, Charis Campbell of Golden Key Law Group. Can you share with our audience your contact information so they can know where to reach out and get you?
Yes. So my email is Campbell, CAMPBELL, like Campbell Soup, at goldenkeylawgroup.com. Our website is gklglaw.com, and our phone number is 727-317-4738.
Wonderful. This has been the Lawyers Who Care video show podcast that highlights attorneys who go above and beyond. If you're an attorney or know one who does, feel free to reach out to us at 914-666-6600. Charis, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.